Hello, this is another COB LED chip for safety light. The surface is waterproof, so the COB can be protected and used for a long time. We are custom COB LED chip with special shape for safety light, real light, warning light, single light, and we can customize a variety of lengths, colors, color temperature, or the width. Also, its working lighting methods can have many different ways. You can use it in full power and half power, or use different lighting methods. Also, you can custom. So let me know your cool ideas about your safety light, and we can customize it only for you.